Right, so hey guys, welcome to another tutorial where today I'm going to teach you on how to create a partition in Windows 11 of your hard drive. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is here in your search bar, you're going to search for disk management. Okay, and you can see here it says create and format hard disk partition. Open that. Okay, and then here what you're going to do is I'm going to maximize this so you can see that, and you can see your main hard drive right here, the capacity. Okay, so mine is C, so this is my main hard drive, and this is the capacity of my drive, and this is the free space I have on the drive. So this is my main drive. Okay, so I want to partition this, so I'm going to right click here. Okay, and then you're going to see here something says shrink volume, so you're just going to shrink. Okay, let it query. So I'm just going to create a file size of maybe 100 MB. Shrink. And you can see it created a small partition here of 100 MB. This can be solely based on your preference, guys. So it can be 100 MB, it can be 2 GB, it can be 20 gigs. So it's your wish. So once this is created, you're going to right click on this and click on new simple volume. And this visual will be opened. Click on next, and then click on next, and you can assign any drive letter to it. I'm just going to put O because it's fun. Okay, click on next, and you can change it to NTFS or FAT32. So I'm just going to leave it at NTFS, and you can name it. And the allocation size, just leave it at default, and just going to name it flash drive. Okay, and make sure the perform a quick format is checked. Click on next, finish, bam, it's done. Now if I minimize this, go into my Windows Explorer and go into this PC, there you have it. I have my 100 MB flash drive right here, so I can save files and do whatever I want with it. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very simple partitioning video, and yeah, hope it helped. Thanks for watching, folks.